the ocean. So vast and so incredible. A lot of our adventures take place in or around it. We really love it. Even my name Kai means ocean in Hawaiian and Japanese too. And then, of course, there is Luciana Moana. Moana also means ocean. Then there is Lucas, which means he who runs along the shoreline. Oh, no, not really. I just made that up actually. Anyways, in the last adventure in the Sea of Cortez, our days would start very early. My dad always says that if the sun came up and we are still in bed, that would be a waste of daylight. He would give us breakfast, then we would go down to the water. We learned more about the tides, a never-ending cycle, every 6 hours. A low tide, where everything is calm, and then a high tide, where all the water comes back in full force. We made the best in every part of this cycle. In high tide, we played in the waves. In low tide, we explored the exposed reefs. And Dan showed us how to catch blue crabs, or CD as we call it in Portuguese. I never ate blue crabs before, so my dad taught us everything about them. Sometimes we caught females that had eggs under their belly. Those we let go. We only kept the males. We saw crabs doing funny things. Dad said not to bother them, so we didn't catch those either. Cooking them was very easy. While the water boiled, Vovobita would play us a few songs. Then it was time to eat, my favorite part. We had to work at it, but it was delicious. And the recipe was so simple. Boiling water, salt, garlic, and cilantro. That's it. We didn't even put butter on it. It was actually one of the best things I've ever eaten. The next day, we would start all over again. One day, we set up a fish tank with fish we caught on the reef. The other day, we got tired of eating crabs. So Dad had us catch little fish with a net. He said he would use that as bait to catch bigger fish. And so he caught some fish, one after another. Actually, he caught lots of fish that day. These fish are called corvina. Very good to eat. We put some in the oven whole and the others were fried. Vova Celia made rice and beans. Perfect. Thanks, Vova Celia. We really enjoy our time by the ocean. It seems like every time we learn something new. My Vovobita caught blue crabs by the beach when he was young. And so did his dad, my great-grandpa Manuel. Now my dad is teaching us all about it. Maybe one day, I'll get to bring my own kids here and also teach them about all these things.
Let's go out of town for the summer. I wanna go across the trees, breathing all along the fresh air.